guys, welcome back to Monster Main 357. I'm Monster Main, and today we're gonna be changing the fog lights on my 2002 Chevy Tahoe. I got an LT trim, so that right there is gonna be something you need to keep in mind. If you got the LS or other models, it might be something different. But as you can see, I'm gonna show you my fog light. It's right there, it's cracked. And right there, the other one's cracked and missing lenses and stuff. So I got these Amazon crystal clear. These are the clear ones. Not sure if they're gonna give me that orange glow or that bright white glow, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna have to turn the camera around and show you guys something real quick. All right, right here is the back end. You can see this is the bumper, and right here is my fog light. You're gonna have to disconnect this, and you're gonna have to, there's two clips back, and you can see this clip right here. That clip has a screw, and this clip has a screw, and it's 10 millimeters. So we're gonna get a ratchet and take this apart. Same thing on this side. That right there. You're gonna have to take that apart, and those two attachments at the top, replace them, and you're good. See what we got. All right, got them hooked up. That's what they look like. It's on with the, it look like the ambers that go with the headlights. Yeah, I use that to slide under the car. You don't really need to lift it up or anything. You can slide right under. Yeah, it matches both of them, so we're good to go. I'd say it took me about 15, no more than 20 minutes to do the whole job. Let me show you what it looked like. That's the one on the passenger side, and that's the one on the driver's side. You can see where it actually broke off right in here, so I had to get down in there with this 10 millimeter. This was a little long. It took me a little longer, but I bet if I had a shorter one, it would have took me 10 minutes. But yeah, 2002 model. I don't know about the other models, but this one works for me. Thanks for watching Monster Main 357.